The YogaSleep Travel Cube Portable Sound Machine. Now we're going to take a quick look around the box and then jump straight into it. So let's go. So here we go, guys. We have the Travel Cube unpacked. It is a Type-C rechargeable device, which I love. It's one of the reasons why I picked it up. And on the front end, here's a speaker. We're just gonna go ahead and press and hold on the power button. And there we go. You have the green light indicating that it is on. And one of my favorite features of any YogaSleep product is when you cycle through the sounds or when you max out the volume, it's gonna give you an indicator, a little sound. So we're gonna go ahead and flip through all the sound. Go ahead and click on the timer, which has a 30, 1 hour, or a 2 hour interval. As you can see there, and back off. Now, we're gonna go ahead and up the volume.